then, do you? So I certainly did. I got this for you tonight, ladies and gentlemen. No, you don't know what it is because you're too drunk to know. You know, I would say that was a rocket ship. And you go, yeah, it is, it's going to go to the moon. Go on now. Moves along. So I'll just get my things out and I'll get on with the show. We've got a great show for you tonight, ladies and gentlemen, because we've got this. Oh great, sorted that out. Photograph. Thank you very much. I was on the train recently. Is that a child? Oh no, it's just a blanket. I thought you were bringing a child up for me to bless. I was on the train recently and I sat at the window, like facing the front, because that's the way I like to travel. And there was a couple saying goodbye to each other next to me, sort of glued to each other, kissing and saying I love you and all that. And she was sitting next to me and he was there. And then the announcement came up that will everyone not travelling on the train today please leave the train now? Quite polite. And he left and they were in tears. They were, you know, distraught. And I thought, thank God for that. And he comes round and he stands at the window next to me. He's there. And he's saying, I love you. You can't hear because it's double glazed, isn't it? And she's there going, I love you too. And the 5 minutes before the train took off were like 5 years to me. So I'm just staring ahead going, just stop it, go away. And then the train set off and I felt really good. I thought, yes, at last. And he's running alongside. And he started kissing the window. And his lips got stuck to the window. And he travelled with us to Peterborough, where the staff had to prize him off. That was an interesting day. Anyone got a mobile phone with them? Yeah. Anyone fancy outdrawing me? Do you want to outdraw me on the mobile phone? Okay. I'll count to three, and you go for it. Okay. Where's your phone? No, come on, give yourself a chance, it'll take ages. Yeah, okay. How yours is same make as mine. Yeah, how much you pay for yours? Oh, doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3. Call it a draw, I think. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. Whose phone was that? Whose phone just rang? What was that noise? That one's going to say anything, they just went pressed it. But no, it wasn't me. Anyway, I'll get this going. I think I like this. Now, I love the innovation catalogues. I've been obsessed with them for many years now. This came in at $9.95. I mean, a bargain. I should take a picture here. $9.95. I think they've sold 5 so far. But it's so good. I mean, it's so good. What you do is you anchor the apple down there. You can use it for lots of things. I mean, it's called, the title of it is a rotato. It's for potatoes, for the single people that live on their own. And, well, obviously they do that. Well, they're not going to. So, sorry, I haven't used it for a while. That's the blade there, that starts off of it, and then you must anchor it at the top there. You push that spike in there, and then you watch this. is that if you peel the next lot along as well, like that. Can you try that for me? Just taste it. Well, it's alright, it's a proper apple. Just put it in your mouth. Doesn't it taste different from a normal apple? Eating it like that, it's nice and gentle and light, sort of make a nice little starter, wouldn't it? If you soaked it in honey or something. Is it plain? I can do you one of these. 30 quid. I'm a fair man. I went to Malta recently, go to Dubai, and we changed at Malta, and we were there for 8. Do you understand all this? You're all right, yeah? You're right, you looked a bit bemused. That'd be a good picture, won't it? Bloody hell. But that's the worst position to have your picture taken up. I mean, you know, I'm not exactly Rock bloody Hudson, am I? Thanks a lot. 2 bloody nostrils. Nostril, yeah, that was a joke in the programme, wasn't it? I think I remember that. Nostril something. This annoys me, these bow tie pastas. You know, it's a good idea, oh yeah, they look pretty, you know, that's alright, but you cook them, 6 minutes, the sort of wings, it's like a butterfly, isn't it? You know, the wings are ready after 6 minutes, but that middle knot bit, that needs a good 9 minutes. Well, what are you supposed to do? Just cut off the wings and say, the wings are ready, the knots are coming up later? I mean, it's ridiculous. I've got one here that's it's a collector's item, it's one in the packet that didn't get knotted, you know. It's like a postage stamp, and you know, so at the next pasta convention I go to, I'll get good money for it. This is just a simple, what's going on at that table there? Okay? Come on, give us a chance to like those, Joe, because I haven't got a spotlight on me, we've had to use these lights here, you know, just that's it, you know, you normally have a light on you so everyone's attention is there and I can't see a lot of you, but I can see every bloody one of you.